So what's up guys, it's me again Cherry and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video we're going to make a 3D modeling, which is we can use this figure. So let's start to make a 3D. So this is our pattern. So let's start, let's make it on the isometric. Okay, I let it goes. Okay, so let's start to press pull that part. So press pull, just press pull. Okay, so our is 30. Okay, and then next one, press pull again. Okay, so that part again 30. Later we will see what it is. Yes, again press pull. Okay, so it was 9. Same on that side, so escape all so that we can see. Okay, northeast. So again press pull. 9 again. Let's go back to its escape first, then to okay. So let's change it to conceptual. Okay, so that part. And then next one is we're going to make it a chamfer. Just type in chamfer edge. Okay, and then part distance, and then 21, enter, 42, enter. Just double click and then enter. Okay, enter. So that's it. That's our first figure.